Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another product review. I just got this box the other day from my friends over at Banggood. This is a Topshak electric power pressure washer. As you guys know, I've done a few reviews on power washers, and the electric ones are a little bit more tedious than the gas ones. Gas ones, you just got to pull start it, connect the hose to it, and you're good to go. The electric ones, you kind of got to mess with the electric cable. Let me get this thing open. There's a box inside another box. Well, no need to take two boxes out. Just take it out from the two boxes. Know what I mean? Save space. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Make sure I got nothing in here. It's just padding and insulation. So we've got the wand. They call it the wand or a gun. It's a safety on it. And a lock for the hose. This is the bottle reservoir for your soap or cleaning solution. Ooh, it's got a retractable handle, kind of like one of those travel suitcases. This is the air hose for the gun. And here we have the attachments, the nozzles for the degree of spread or intensity of the stream of water. In these nozzles over here. Here is the adapter for the water input, and this is to hold your wand onto the thing. Here's your power cable with a circuit breaker on it. So you just reset it if in case you short circuit it with water or overload the circuit. On and off switch, usually with electric ones, once you have water connected and power connected, all you have to do is turn that on and it'll go, it'll cycle the water in there and then stop in the valve. Then when you push on the trigger, it'll shoot out the stream. There's another box in here, very lightweight. Don't know what it is. Let's open it up. A box with nothing in it. You know what I think this is? This is just insulation, you know? I thought I was going to get a new gift or something, but it's a box of air. This thing is obviously for holding your gun. It's a gun holder. Very cool. Over here you have the water nozzle. Obviously it doesn't fit there, so you know it fits here. So this is where you put your garden hose for your water input. As you can see, it has a metal mesh thing to prevent debris from going in there. We're going to take this apart and attach one end to that, one end to the wand or gun. We have your pressure hose that goes in here, push down so that the inner valve goes into the hole and try to catch the thread. Sometimes you have to push kind of hard to get the threads to match. There we go. Make that nice and tight because this is under some pressure. The other end of it is for the gun. and you just stick it in here. Stick it in here and then lock it, and that's what the lock was. And you put the rubber insulation back in there. This front part over here, it goes in like that, and you do a twist. Look at that. That's like a holder for shotgun shells. No, it's for your nozzles, of course. And the nozzles just fit right on there. That is very cool. I've never seen one like this. This is very cool. Very ingenious. I think I usually use the white one to start off. As you can see, this black one here, the hole's very big. So the pressure won't be very high. I remember that the white one is the one I like to use. And basically that just clips on like this. You can pull this, oops. You can pull this down like that, right? Stick the nozzle in, pops back up again. So now this is ready to go. We just need to plug this into power and also water. Let's do that now. Now that we're outside, I have a few things that I need to just clean up. This is a perfect opportunity for me to use the power washers to clean up a couple of lawnmowers that are kind of dirty. So we'll just spray them down. I wanted to test it. So here we go. We have the power. You plug it into power. And you should never run a power washer or pressure washer without water hooked up first. But we can just turn it on just to see if it works. Okay. You press the reset button on there. There you go. Now I'm going to go get my water hose and turn it on and connect it. Got my garden hose. Going to connect it on here. And then I can go turn it on. So as you can see, the connection of my hose is not very good. I have water leak here, and it's a mess. No matter how tight I do it, it won't tighten anymore. Let's turn it on anyway. There we go. So as you guys saw, it worked great. Cleaned up my lawnmowers like they were new. Cleaned my golf cart. It's fantastic. The only thing I'd have to say is this thing is a little jiggly. You know what I mean? This thing's kind of loose. So it didn't really clamp onto my hose very well. So I just shut off the water. And what you want to do is you want to get the water out of the hose. Make sure there's no more water in the hose. Disconnect the hose from the machine. And that way you can protect the motor from ever rusting. Make sure that there's no more water in the reservoir. and that this and then you can store your machine for next time. Thanks a lot to Banggood and Topshak for sending me this to review. It's a good machine, convenient, lightweight. Just put it in your garage when you're done. Store it for next time. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's weekend review of a Topshak power washer. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.